Is this a wax apple? What is good, guys? Chris here. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're talking about a device that I recently bought. Today I'm gonna do the unboxing that I never done, and I will never do probably in the future, because for me it seems a little bit silly to do unboxings. People already know what they're buying, and when somebody is coming up with the first video of unboxing, everything it's unveiled and revealed, and nobody cares what's inside. But because we didn't do this, and because I wanna show you what I bought, today we're gonna talk about the new device that I bought from Apple. This is the MacBook Pro 16-inch, the content creator dream apparently lately, and let's see what's inside. I forgot to tell you that I already took off the plastic wrapping on top of the box, so you won't do a lot of noise, but I kept the plastic wrap on top of it, so let's hear this. Sounds fancy. Okay, so this is the 16-inch MacBook Pro 2020, I believe. I recently bought this one. Is top spec for what it is. It's not the top tier, but I expect it to be good for me, for what I'm doing. It's beautiful. It actually is. No big difference in design that I've got used to during the years. As you probably know already if you subscribe to the channel, I used to have a 15-inch MacBook Pro that I recently sold to get this one. Not because he wasn't good, but because I want to have something more powerful that will help me edit videos and photos, something that will do more than just productivity tasks and do creative tasks and all the stuff that I'm gonna throw on. Hopefully this is gonna do it. So I do love it. This is my first impression. This is the space gray. I'm not sure if you can tell. I love this brushed aluminum, and I think more companies should adopt this color, this theme, because it looks professional, it looks good. I do love the devices and the build. It's amazing. These sharp edges, like I said, feel professional. The colors they're choosing, and this pretty much an unibody design. It's like a piece of aluminum brick that feels very well in hand. Well, let's set this aside and see what's inside. It comes with the USB-C cable for charging, and all the paperwork. I'm not sure if it's something interesting inside other than the stickers. I love stickers. I do love stickers. So that is with that, and the last piece is the brick, the whatever you want to call this. It looks like a brick. They should come up with something smaller. This plug-in charger, whatever it's called, it's a little bit heavy and cumbersome to carry around. And that's it. The box is empty. All this money for just 3 pieces of equipment, not even 3, just 1. And because this is the first unboxing video, I'm thinking to give you the honor to start the device. So there you go. Let me grab the piece of paper underneath, and you can lift it up. Just reach for it. Go ahead, reach over here and lift it up. Hopefully it does have battery. Hopefully you didn't forget. There you go. There you go. The apple is there. By the way, it's a good apple. I mean mine. These two, hopefully. There you have it. You just turn on my 16-inch MacBook Pro.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Is English my first language? I just did. There is no turning back. Now my English is my main language. Okay guys, so this is pretty much it for the unboxing video. Hopefully it was fun. Hopefully we're gonna have a lot of videos talking about this device. I know that there are many on YouTube. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel in order to be part of this journey
Mac
of
OS
me.
contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the Command key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch bar. To learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Yeah, go ahead, subscribe to the channel to shut down Siri. Maybe that will help. Also, give these videos a thumbs up. It helps a lot with the algorithm. Stay with me. Let's create this community and let's build all the things around it that we all want to do. And I will definitely see you in a bit.